everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this blue turquoise halo look. I guess, I don't know, it's just like the look I just did with the pink and purple and halo. It's just like that, but I just switched the colors up. I wanted to see if I can do it again, and bam, I did. It turned out real cool or whatever. Okay, so yeah, now that I know I can do this, we go mosey right along to other, looks and techniques and see what I can do. Okay, but besides that point, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss any tutorials, and you will know exactly when, every second minute, when I upload a new video. Okay, and hit that like, share button, comments, subscribe, yeah, do that, and I will see you in my next look. Okay, so this first palette we're going to use is from Killa Cosmetics, and this is their Fun in Paradise palette. Okay, and this palette is kind of a replica of the 35B from Morphe. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, and the first color we're going to take is the white shadow, and it is kind of going to be a base for the main coat that we want to put down. And I'm just going to tap that white shadow all over the lid, basically. Okay. So next we are going to take this turquoise. Yeah, we'll take this turquoise right there at the bottom. And we'll pack that all over the eye and blend as usual. Okay, now that I have packed the amount that I want, I'm just going to go in straight to blending.
Hold up, put your ass in the air.
Okay, and I'm going to go in with the brush that had the white on it just to blend the edges out a little bit more.
I know they honey, cookie on tsunami.
Okay, and the next palette we're going to use is the Morphe 39A palette. Okay, I'm not going to hold this palette because the palette's too big to be doing all that. So, I am going to take Pine. It's a green color. If you have this palette, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, it's just the green shadow. It looks like this. Okay, so I'm just going to pack this in the crease and build it up and then blend.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag 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 it up. Lady booty bounce tennis. I tell all my
Ass in the air.
And to blend out the green even more, I'm going to take a clean blending brush.
Ass in the air.
So next I'm going to take indigo, which is a dark blue, and a black mixed together and put in crease.
I
got this blue shadow on my nose, and I'm gonna have to fix that once I'm done. But okay, so I cut the crease, and I'm gonna take the green that I put in the crease and the blue, and I'm just put it on the inner and outer corners. And it's so I'm going to the blue now, and I'm packing it right on top of the green.
Without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be
Okay, and then for the second color on the lid, I'm going to take this blue right there. It's like on the outer corner almost. Halo, I'm going to take this mint green from the Juvia's Saharan 2 palette.
And tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going
Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to take Artist Couture and Conceited. Looks like this. And I am going to take Touch of Fenty Cosmetics highlighter and gingerbread. And I'm not putting any blush on, I don't think. I don't know. So this is Conceited from Artist Couture. Okay, and I'm only going to add a little bit of the gingerbread.
Hold up, put your ass in the air.
I know that honey cookie on tsunami.
I tell mama, I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up.
I am putting on the L'Oreal Colour Richie lipstick. This is in the color Intude and number 806. Mine is somehow got out the tube and it's in here, but this is what it looks like. Okay.
Stop. Hold up, put your ass in the air.
I know that honey cookie on tsunami.
I tell mama, I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up.
Lady booty bounce tennis.
I tell mama, I tell mama,
Ass in the air. Ass in the air.